In this video, you'll learn how to browse the community library, where you can discover trivia games created by other users, preview them, and add them to your own collection. It's the fastest way to find great content. You just need a SplitCast account. The community library is available on all plans. From your dashboard, click Games and then the Community tab. This is where all publicly shared games live. You'll see a library of trivia games organized by category, popularity, and recency. Use the category filters to narrow your search. Click on a category like sports, history, or pop culture to see games in that topic. Found something interesting? Click on any game to open the preview. The preview shows you the game title, description, and category. You'll also see the questions and answers, so you know what to expect. This lets you evaluate the quality and difficulty before adding it to your collection. Take your time. Previewing is free and doesn't affect your games. If you like what you see, click Use this game. This creates a copy of the game in your account. The original stays in the community library. Your copy is completely independent. Once added, the game appears in your Games tab. You can edit it, add your own questions, or run it as is. This is a huge time saver. Instead of building from scratch, start with a solid foundation and customize from there. Before adding, you can also check the game's stats. Look for the play count if available. Games with more plays are usually well tested and polished. Community play counts help you find the best content without trial and error. Quick note: can't find a specific topic? The community library depends on what users have shared. If your topic isn't there, you can create your own game and share it. We'll cover that in the next video. You've browsed the community library, previewed games, and added one to your collection. Next, we'll cover sharing and moderation, how to publish your own games to the community and manage what you've shared.